Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about hyperboloid. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the value of c to make sure that this one is about hyperboloid of 2/6. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we want to create about 2/6 in here, we need to at least choose negative out of 3 for x, y, and z. That's about this one and this one. So we need to put z square go to the left. And c I will put on the right, and we have 1 minus c. However, we have positive, negative, but we want to create about this one. So we put the negative for the both side, and this one we will have like this. So because we have the negative for this one, we have c minus 1. So we want to create about hyperboloid of 2/6 in here. So for this one, c minus 1 should be greater than number 0. We cannot create equal to number 0 because if we do like this, two hyperboloid they will connect in here. So we need to put about c minus 1 greater than number 0. So c is greater than number 1. So the answer for the question should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.